So I'm out here today to test the signal strength of the RC versus the RC-N1 using the Mini 3. Let's go for it.
Take off. The home point has been updated. Please check it on the map.
So there we go, distance at 4, she's right there. Let's send her out and I'll take her up to 100 metres. So she'll be flying at 100 metres both with the RC-N1 and the RC Pro, or the RC. Certainly taking her time to go up. So there's 2.5 kilometres, still going on a little bit. Let's just see how far we can get her. And I'm not going to take her any more than 100 metres up. I could take her to the ceiling 120, but 100 metres is good for the test. Another weak signal, and the signal has gone there completely again. So there you go, 2,733. So I'm just going to bring her back home and switch over to the RC and see if we get any further. And there we go, and we have a successful launch. Again, let's just take her up to 100 metres, just the same as before. And then send her out. Okay, 100 metres. Let's see what you can do. So there we go, we're reaching pretty much the same as we did with the RC-N1 here. 2.73 I think it was, when the signal finally went. So there we go, that's about the same, about this point here, where the signal completely went with the RC-N1. So the RC does seem to be doing a bit better. Once again, weak signal here, so it's not quite reaching 3 kilometres to date. Well, there we go. It's just going to go past 3 kilometres by the looks of it. That's 3 kilometres now. Doesn't look as if it's going to be able to hit 4 kilometres like it did in the previous run. Another weak signal, warning. 3.3 kilometres, can't pick it back up. Three and a half kilometres now. Fair wee wind blowing there. Yeah, so it looks like in this run the RC is doing significantly better than the RC-N1 with the Mini 3. Coming up in 4 kilometres now, not far away from 4 kilometres. Another weak signal. Just past 4 kilometres there. Okay, so just past 4 kilometres and we lost signal again. And I'll let it come home. So I think you'll see there that it's very variable and your your signal strength and the range you're going to get is going to change with the conditions, the location you're at, the wind, the height you're flying at, the landscape, what's round about you, maybe even just the sun, the temperature. All of these things are going to change from flight to flight. So this isn't a test like DJI would do in a wind tunnel hovering with exactly the same humidity and the same temperature and the same wind. It's variable. This is a real life test to let you see that you do get a fair distance with the signal at using either the RCN1 or the RC. If you'd like to see a couple of other tests that I've done, that video there will take you to a signal test that I did previously.